The northern Indian state of Uttarakhand is facing one of its worst natural disasters in recent years. Deadly flash floods that struck the remote villages of Dharali and Harshil in Uttarkashi district triggered a massive mudslide that has killed 5 people and left over 50 missing. In the aftermath, large-scale rescue and relief operations have been launched by the Indian Army, along with multiple disaster-prone response teams, with key roads washed out and the crucial Limchegarh Bridge on National Highway 34 completely collapsed. Rescue teams are facing a tough time in assessing the worst-hit locations. These are the images in which workers of States Power Cooperation Limited can be seen trying to restore power supply in the affected areas. The Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has confirmed that nearly 1,000 people have been rescued so far. As per the Uttarakhand government, the construction of the Bailey Bridge has reached its final stage and will be open for transportation shortly. The bridge is being built as a replacement for the Limchegarh Bridge, which was washed away during the flash floods in Dharali. It is being built to restore access to areas that have been completely cut off after the flash floods. The bridge located near Gangotri River, once completed, will help streamline the flow of resources and personnel into the affected zones. Now, on the ground, medical teams are providing treatment to injured locals and tourists. Rescue teams are now using ground-penetrating radars to locate people trapped under the debris. Well, these radars can detect movement of bodies as deep as 30 feet underground without excavation. Earlier in the day, a C-295 aircraft arrived in the Dharasu region from Agra, bringing in personnel, technicians and relief material to support the ongoing operations. So far, helicopters and Chinook aircraft have airlifted over 1.4 tons of essential supplies to the affected areas, with more deliveries planned in the coming days.